I'm Joe Kilcup, Install Manager at Legacy Heating and Cooling.
And I'm Peter Bruman, and I am the Sales Manager for Legacy Heating and Cooling.
Today we're going to be talking to you about the benefits of air conditioning. Now, Peter, in addition to keeping the house cool, what are some other benefits that we can experience with air conditioning?
Well, there's quite a few benefits by having air conditioning. For one, it's the better sleep. Of course, we all know when it comes to the hot summers here in Alberta that we tend to suffer. And so over the years, we get a lot of people that have mentioned that they wish they would have done it years previous. Sleeping is the biggest thing because that sets your next day.
You really can't put a price on a good sleep, can you?
You certainly can't, let me tell you. Another benefit would be actually leaving the smoke and the allergens and the pollen out of your property, so you can actually leave your windows closed. So that way, people with severe allergies or asthma can actually take a break from that.
I know people with severe allergies and asthma often spend a lot of money on filters, but they don't do you much good when the windows are open, do they?
No, they certainly do not.
So I know that myself, I've had experience in the past where I lived in an older home and the springtime comes, there were some bugs that made their way into the house, but I noticed once I had my air conditioning installed, that problem virtually went away.
100%, because a lot of people, especially if you're using window shakers or whatnot, they're trying to rig up with having screens around openings in the windows, then all of a sudden you start getting mice or insects or bugs come in the home. And obviously mice in Alberta, as we know, or anywhere in the world, they are a real pain, and they can also cause a lot of other issues with including the feces and whatnot that come to your property.
Okay. So in the many years of sales experience that you've had, how much interaction have you had with real estate agents?
Oh, quite a few. And so when it comes to the resale value, of course, air conditioning, new roofs, new windows, all that stuff certainly adds value to a property. So on something like that, it would 100% add value to a home.
Great. Well, it sounds like we have a lot of reasons to look at air conditioning this year. So if you have any questions, please contact us at legacyheating.ca.